Hey, what's going on? So today I have another video. This video is going to be about shop lights and working on your car with shop lights. So I was at Harbor Freight the other day and I bought like the really big, I think it's an 847 or 45 lumen shop light or work light for like the hood and everything like that. And when I turned it on, I just noticed that it wasn't as bright as I expected it to be. I thought, well, I think it's better to just look for other options. Or so I end up returning it. So I don't have that light, but I will post a picture, let you know what I'm talking about. But I did discover that Cosco sells a FEIT light. It's actually just like a garage LED light, and this is it right here. I'm actually using it, and it's way brighter, and it doesn't really even cost that much difference. I think the Harbor Freight light is $39 without a coupon, and this at Costco is like $28, and now they have it on sale, or I should say you can find it on sale from time to time for like $24, and it even has the motion detect sensor and everything like that, and it's a little bit smaller. This light is super lightweight, doesn't get hot, and it's LED, so you don't have to worry about the fluorescence breaking when you want to use it around the car or like on the ground or anything like that. It's still going to be super durable and everything like that. And so I would highly recommend to get this light if you're going to use if you're looking to buy some type of under the hood light, or even under the car light. I would definitely go this route in terms of just max brightness. And now I'm going to show you just some things you can add to this light to make it automotive friendly, so that when you are working on the car, it's not this hassle and everything like that. And yeah, this is the light to get. So I'm going to show you right now how to mod it and hack it and all that cool stuff so that you'll have a great light. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, so now we have our light here on the table, and I'm going to show you what you need to mod it. And pretty much all you need is a small bungee like this. As you can see, it has like the thin metal hook. You're also going to need a bathroom handle. You can get this at any medical supply store. And so as you can see right here, this light fixture has two mounting points right here and also a single one right here. And the cool thing with that is that you can use the bungee to mount like this to get a good short balance, or you can use the bungee right here for a more longer extension. And so for the bathroom handle, pretty much what I would suggest is to just mount it on top like this with some epoxy, and then you're good to go. And the cool thing with this handle is that you can use it when you're like using the light on the floor, and you can tilt the light at a 45-degree angle and it'll rest on the handle. So it'll be great for like tilting the light to see under the car. Also, the other thing I would recommend is to maybe get like some Plasti Dip or something like that and just spray the top so that you'll have a nice rubber protection. But that's totally optional. Aside from that, all you'll need are the bathroom handle and the two bungees, and that's it. And then your light is pretty much good to go. You're going to save a ton of money for the light output that you get. And so that's pretty much it. The only downside to this is that this light has a cord. So if you're looking for that cordless option, then the Harbor Freight 845 lumen light would be better. But if you are just going to work in the garage, or if you have a portable power source, then this light is the way to go. And I totally love Harbor Freight. I think it's the best tool place ever. So what light do I recommend from Harbor Freight? If you do want to buy a light from Harbor Freight, I'm going to show you that right now. So here's the Harbor Freight light that I highly recommend for working on the car, if you don't want to purchase a big giant uh, garage light, it's going to be this one, this little guy right here. It's the Braun work light or shop light. I'll put a link in the description to be exact, so that you can go to Harbor Freight and pick it up. And if there's a coupon, then they go on sale for like 13 bucks, so it's really cool. And this thing is super bright. For how small it is, it's impressive compared to the 847 lumen shop light. The only other thing is that it's not cordless, but there's another light that I recommend. It's the Braun flexible light, and that light's really cool. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. But for its corded options, this is the light to get. And it has two hooks, so you can mount two bungees to it to extend it and hook it under your hood, and you will get a lot of light output, and you'll be able to work on your car, on your engine really well. And so I highly recommend this light if you don't want to purchase the big garage light. But you can't go wrong with either light. They're both great, and really have a good light. See, like I can do this, and yeah, it's not gonna fall. And do that, and it's not gonna fall. So okay, so now I'm gonna demonstrate the FEIT light from Cosco, and this is with the light off. The camera settings are at manual, so it's not gonna auto adjust or anything like that. And so this is with the light off, and this is with the light on. And as you can see, it lights up the engine bay perfectly. It's amazing. So now I'm going to show you the Harbor Freight shop light for $15 or $13 when you can get it on sale with a coupon, and show you the difference of what that light is compared to this garage light. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what the Harbor Freight shop light looks like, or the work light. And that's pretty much what it looks like. It's at the same distance as the Cosco garage light. And for this small light, it's amazing at the light output. And yeah, Harbor Freight did not reach out to me to make a video for them. This is all just strictly my doing for you guys on YouTube. So yeah, either light, you can't go wrong with them, and I highly recommend both. And once again, this is the FEIT Cosco shop light or garage light, and you can see the big difference. And yeah, if you can catch this light on sale, it's a bargain. It's a steal for like 24 bucks. You can't beat it. And just go out and get some bungees and a handle, and you're set. You'll have a really good light. The other cool thing is that it's LED, so you don't have to worry about breaking the light again. And also the tube is made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about the tubing breaking and shattering everywhere as well. So once again, two awesome lights. I highly recommend them. So whichever one you go with, you won't be disappointed. And yeah, I hope that I've helped you make your decision on what light to get, and I'll see you in the next video.